just another way of adding terrarium TV to your Android device. There's multiple ways, just everybody keeps asking, well, one way is different than the other, or one way is hard, I can't do it. So I'm just going to post another way here. So we're going to go through another method with file linked. It's up here in the top left hand corner, but I'm going to show you how to get it. So we're going to go to the Internet Explorer. I'm going to type in here droid admin, DROID admin, droid admin. And then you're going to get this file link here. File link, the number one bulk downloader tool for Android devices. So we're going to click on that website. And it brings you to their home page. Just scroll down to download file link. So we're going to click on download file link. It says starting to download. Okay. If some boxes will show it up in the top right hand, top left, that it's downloading. It's a little arrow pointing down. Some don't show, so you just kind of wait for a little bit. So I'm going to exit out of this while that's down there downloading. I'm going to exit back out, go back to the home. And notice it doesn't show anything here. So now I'm going to go to all my apps. Let's say app installer again, this wonderful app that I always use. I'm going to use local disk. And it's going to scan your whole system for any APK files. So right now it's scanned, found a bunch. And these are some of the ones that I just downloaded and updated. There's file link there. So I'm just going to click on the file link and click install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to reinstall it again. So I'm going to exit back out, and then once it's installed, you should be able to go to all your apps. Like here's all my apps, it's on the box, and you should find file link. So we're going to click on file linked, and it's going to boot up. It's going to ask you for a password or passcode. So right here it says validate. Just enter in all twos, and hit continue. Then it's going to ask for a PIN. So the PIN you're going to enter is 4754. 4754. I wonder what all those lines are. Bad picture. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Continue. And then it's going to download all these apps, APK files, for Android devices, Fire Stick TVs. So we're going to choose this one here. It says terrarium. Oh, just hit this. Dismiss is always what I hit. So IP vanished and terrarium TV patched version right there. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to be the little download arrow over here. We're going to click on that. And it says downloading. So it's going to see the progress bar going across. We're just going to wait. And once it's downloaded, the arrow pointing down will change. And it'll change to a play symbol. I don't know if you can see that on here, but we're going to hit the play symbol now. And then up pops the app to install. So we're going to click install. There. So now terrarium TV is installed. Of course, you had to delete your old version first. So now that it's installing, we're going to wait for that. No. Come on. And then there, it's installed. You can click open if you want, but I'm going to hit done. Then once done, I'm going to exit back out of this. So you're going to exit out, and it says, are you sure you want to enter new code? Click yes. And at the very top right hand corner, you see this delete garbage can? Hit that, and this will delete all the files that you downloaded. So you're not using up any of your internal storage. You're going to delete. Yes. So now you just deleted all your downloads that you just installed from that. So then once you do that, then you just exit back out and you're back to your home screen. So then I'm gonna pull my terrarium back out to the home screen here. There, I get it twice now, and there we go. And we're gonna set it all up, allow, and OK, and MX player, and accept. Just like that. Enjoy.